Step 1. Establish the foundation. Start with basic programming. Begin by learning a programming language. Python, JavaScript, or Java are good choices for beginners. Understand fundamental concepts. Study variables, data types, loops, conditionals, and basic data structures like arrays. Explore object-oriented programming. Learn the principles of OOP, including classes, objects, inheritance, and encapsulation. Step 2. Data structures and algorithms. Data structures. Study common data structures such as arrays, linked lists, stacks, and queues. Algorithms. Learn sorting algorithms and searching algorithms. Complexity analysis. Understand Big O notation to analyze the efficiency of algorithms. Step 3. Version control. Git and GitHub. Master Git for version control and create a GitHub account to showcase your projects. Step 4. Choose your specialization. Web development. Front-end development. Learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Understand responsive design and web accessibility. Backend development. Choose a server-side language. Work with databases. Mobile app development. For Android or iOS, master the respective programming language. Explore mobile UI and UX design principles. Data science or AI and ML. Learn Python and libraries like Pandas and Matplotlib. Study statistics and data preprocessing techniques. Delve into machine learning algorithms and deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Cybersecurity. Gain knowledge in network security, encryption, and ethical hacking techniques. Stay updated on cybersecurity threats and vulnerabilities. Step 5. Practical experience. Real-world projects. Work on personal projects and practical applications to gain hands-on experience. Open source contributions. Contribute to open source projects to collaborate with experienced developers and build your portfolio. Step 6. Continuous learning. Online courses and tutorials. Enroll in online courses, watch tutorials, and follow coding exercises to enhance your skills. Reading and documentation. Stay updated with tech news and industry documentation. Professional books. Invest in books covering advanced topics in your chosen specialization. Step 7. Soft skills and collaboration. Communication. Develop effective communication skills to interact with colleagues and clients. Problem solving. Enhance your problem-solving abilities, a critical skill in software development. Time management. Efficiently manage your time to meet project deadlines and handle multiple tasks. Step 8. Networking and community. Attend tech events. Participate in tech meetups, conferences, and webinars to network with peers and professionals. Online communities. Join developer forums and social media groups to exchange knowledge and ideas. Step 9. Mentorship. Find a mentor. Seek guidance from experienced developers who can provide insights and advice. Step 10. Coding challenges and competitions. Lead code, HackerRank, and more. Participate in coding challenges to sharpen your problem-solving skills. Step 11. Certifications. Consider relevant certifications. Obtain certifications that align with your specialization to validate your expertise. Step 12. Build an online presence. Blogging. Start a tech blog to share your knowledge and experience. GitHub portfolio. Maintain an active GitHub profile with well-documented projects. Step 13. Adapt and evolve. Stay adaptable. Embrace change and be open to learning new languages, frameworks, and tools as the tech industry evolves. Thank you for joining me on this insightful journey through the roadmap to becoming a great web developer. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth tips on advancing your career. Remember, your success starts with a well-defined roadmap. Keep coding, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.